Okay, we're here today fitting off two power points in the bathroom renovation. So this is where the power points have to go, but you can see the tile here hasn't been cut out properly, and that's the power point that needs to go in there. So we have a special Quebec brand Blue Monkey power point cut out, so if the tiler had one of these, he'd be able to cut the tiles out properly. And here again, same thing again. I've marked the tile out where the power point cutout is supposed to be. So this is my project, to cut these two power points out properly so I can fit the power point in the hole, because the hole's too shallow and the power point won't fit back. And I'm using this special drill that goes into tiles, so I'll be able to just drill a series of holes through here and then knock that piece out so the power point will fit into the hole. And that's my drill ready for action. There we go, you'll be able to hear me talk properly now.
Who are you talking to?
I'm videoing myself fitting off this power point.
Oh.
For my video blog. Okie dokie, so there we go. That's it. Nice style black power points on the white splashback. It should look pretty nice. Rightio, so that's a C-clip that we use that goes behind the wall. Put one side in first so we don't lose it down the wall. Guide it into place without cutting your fingers on the tiles. Okay. Then we level that up. Level it up. There we go. It's all level. Screw that back. There we go. And there we have it. And there's the finished product. So as you can see, it's a fiddly job when you've got to cut the tiles out when they haven't been cut out to the right size of the power point. So it just adds extra time onto the job. But if you know what you're doing, you can do it safely, properly, and it ends up to be a well finished looking product. Okay, thank you for watching.